This is a guide for updating a single workspace installation of OmniWin to a newer year. In this example, we are updating OmniWin 2024 to OmniWin 2025. First, make sure that OmniWin is closed out and not running. You'll then want to open the installation files for the newer year of OmniWin. In this case, we'll be using OmniWin 2025. Open the install folder and click on the setup.exe file. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Go through the OmniWin README information and click Continue. Go through the Microsoft software license terms and click Accept, then click Continue. For this installation method, you will want to pick Single Workspace. Choose your region and go to the Migration tab at the top. Under Migration, choose the second option, Migrate from Previous Release. It can see that Setup has detected OmniWin 2024 installed on your computer. Click Install. Once the setup is complete, you'll notice a new icon on the desktop for OmniWin 2025. The first time you open it, OmniWin will ask if you want to copy your old preferences or use default preferences. These preferences can be personal settings, such as short keys, window or pane layouts, and color schemes, etc. Let's choose to copy old preferences, although you may choose differently. Regardless of if you copy preferences or not, the database is then migrated. If we check the database, we can now see all my parts from OmniWin 2024 are now in the 2025 database. And we are now ready to start using OmniWin 2025. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service, 262-532-4689.